students, today let us see divisibility rules. Here let us see first rule, divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. How a number is divided. Let us see a number divisible by 2. Here, that is all the even number. All the even number can be divided by 2. That means the units digit. Units digit must end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the units digit end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number can be divided by 2. All the even number can be divided by 2. Divisible by 2 is all the digits end in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Whatever digit ending in all this number can be divided by 2. Let us see here 3282. This number can be divided by 2 or not. We can see it here. The units digit, what is the unit digit here? 2. So if the units digit end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any digit coming in the last unit digit, the unit digit, if it anything finishing in this number, this full number can be divided by 2. So we can no need to divide this number by 2 and check it. We can, when seeing, we can identify this number can be divided by 2 like that. Next rule, we are going to see divisibility by 3. Next rule is divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. How a number is divided by 3 or not. We are going to check a number is divided by 3 or not. The rule is sum of the digits, whatever number given, you have to add all the numbers. When you add all the numbers, you are getting sum, no? The sum, if you divide by 3, the full number can be divided by 3. Here, let us see here a number 384. 384. Let us see whether this number is divided by 3 or not. So how to check? Divisibility by 3 rules telling that sum of the digits. Find sum of the digits 3 plus 8 plus 4. Add it 3 plus 8 plus 4. Total how much coming? You are getting 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Okay. Here see the sum how much coming? Sum is 15 coming. Check it, 15 can be divided by 3 or not, 15 can be divided by 3 or not, check it. So 3, 5 how much? 3, 5, 15. So the number sum can be divided by 3. If the sum can be divided by 3, 15 can be divided by 3 means the full number 384 can be divided by 3. You can check this number. If you divide this 384 by 3, you will get exactly it can divide. Can divide by 3. The rules divisible by 3 is sum of the digits. Sum of the digit means whatever number given, that number you have to add it. If you add that number, you are getting the total, no? The total must be like 3 table. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Like the 3 table must come, the total. The total if it's coming, then that number can be divided by that number. If that number divided by 3 means the full number, whatever number, how many digits may be, that number can be divided by 3. Now let us go for next rule, divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. The third rule we are going for divisibility by 5. But for this divisibility by 5, we have to see the last unit digit. If the unit digit ending in 0 or 5, then the full number can be divided by 5. Let us see here. If this number can be divided by 5, The rules is the unit digit must end in 0 or 5. 0 or 5. See now, what is the unit digit here? 0. If it ending in 0, then this full number can be divided by 5. 65. This number can be divided by 5 or not? We can see the unit digit. What is the unit digit here? 5. If the unit digit ending in 5 also, then this number can be divided by 5. So 65 can be divided by 5. You have to see the last digit. The last digit, if the last digit is 0 or 5, then the full number can be divided by 5. This is the divisibility rule by 5. Next rule, let us see divisibility rule by 9. What is how a number can be divided by 9 or not? We are going to check divisibility rule by 9. Here, just let us revise. Previous we studied one rule, no? Divisibility rule by 3. There, what we have done, we have added all the digits. When we add all the digits, we are getting like 3 table. We are getting 3 tables like that. Here we are same rule we have to follow here. For divisibility by 9, you have to check it. Let us take one number here, 7326. Is this number can be divided by 9 or not? To check that one, what we have to do? We have to add all the digits. Find what is the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6. So total how much coming? See, 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. See the total. If the total is like 9 table, multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 coming, see it, 9 table, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, like this, 9 table, see the 9 table. Here 18 coming, see that 18 can be divided by 9 or not? 18 divided by 9, 2 times 18, remainder is nothing, yes no? Now see that, you can divide the sum, you can divide this total by 9, yes no? We can divide this total by 9. So if we can divide this total by 9, then this full number can be divided by 9. This full 7326 can be divided by 9. One thing you have to understand, when you add the total, when you add the whatever digit given, the total you have to add it. The total must come like 9 table, 9, 18, 27, 36. If it is coming in that 9 table number, then this full number can be divided. If it is not coming then the number cannot be divided. Next, let us go for next rule, divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10 rule is the very easiest rule. Divisibility by 10 is the easiest rule. You have to see the last digit. If the last digit ending in 0, then the full number can be divided. Like 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, whatever may be. If the last digit, see the last digit must finish with 0. If the unit digit finish in 0, then the full number can be divided by 10. Then the full number can be divided by 10. The last number must be 0. Next rule, we are going to see divisibility rule by 11. Divisibility rule by 11. So whether the given number is divided by 11 or not. We are going to check it. For this, for one rule is there. That is, you have to see what are the given number. Let us take here one number. Let us take here 3465. Let us see this number here. Whatever here, let us see this number is given. Okay, the question is, this number is divided by 11 or not. So how we will find out? Quickly you have to tell. We should not do to divide this 3465 divided by 11 and do not solving, but by looking at this you have to tell quickly. So for that divisibility by 2, the rule is, by 11 rule is, you have to sum of the odd digits. From here sum of the odd digits, from sum of the odd digits, 5 plus 4 how much? Odd digit how much? Odd number total 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 how much coming? 9. Now find sum of the even places. This is an odd number. Odd number means we are counting now, from last digit counting now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Odd number only. Odd digit. 1, 2, 3. Like you have to count 1 and 3 only. Odd digit is 5 and 4. Even digits. So here 2, 4, 6, 8. The even digit counted. 6 and 6 plus 3 how much? Even digit is 6 plus 3. How much? 9. Yes, no? When the difference of odd digits and even digits is coming 0 or multiple of 11, then the number can be divided by 11. When the difference of odd digits and even digits, sum of the odd and sum of the even is coming 0 or multiple, like that 0 must come, or else it's a 11 table. 0 or 11 table. 11, 22, 33, like that 11 table. If it finish with in this number anything, 0 or 11 table, then the full number can be divided by 11. Let us see here, 9 minus 9 how much? Subtract 0, no? Yes. It can be divided by 0. Okay, when you subtract, you are getting 0. So answer you are getting 0, no? Answer, if you get answer 0, the difference is 0 here. So this full number can be divided by 11. Sum of the digits in odd number and sum of the digits in even number, if it's 0 means, then the full number can be divided by 11. Here you can divide this number by 11. It's exactly, you can divide, you can check also. Let us see another number. One more number let us take here. Let us see a number here. 95,986. This number can be divided by 11 or not. To check that one, what is the rule? You have to add the sum of the odd digits minus sum of the even digits. Find what is the odd digits, odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no? Odd digits. First is odd digits, only odd digits only. 6, 9, 9. Yes, no? Add the odd digits. 6 plus 9 plus 9. Total how much coming? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Now see what is the sum of the even place. Check what is the sum of the even place. Even number. Even number, check it. 2, 4. Even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are going, no? In the even number. Second number and fourth number. 8 plus 5 how much? Even. Odd number and even number. Even number is 8 plus 5. Total how much coming? 8 plus 5, 13, no? 13. What we have to do? We have to find the difference. Difference means subtract. 24 minus 13. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So we are getting 11 as the answer. So I told you, if the difference is 0 or 11 table anything. See here 11 coming. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, like that 11 table. Here 11 coming. So if the difference coming 11 means the full number can be divided by 11. The full number can be divided by 11. Here 95,986 can be divided by 11. Okay, understand? This is the concept. You have to find the difference of odd digits, sum of the odd digits and sum of the even digits. That is, from odd digits separate the even digits, the difference must be 11 table, 11, 22, 33, 44, like 11 table must come or else 0. Then the full number can be divided by 11. Next, let us go for another rules. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4 rule says, divisibility by 4. You have to see the last two digits. Last two digits you have to see. See the last two digits. What are previous what number may be? Previous number, let us see. Let us see this number, okay? This is the number given. 3,82,156. This number can be divided by 4 or not. This is a question. So to check this one, what you have to do? You have to take the last two digits. The tens digit and the ones digit. Tens place what is that? 5. You have to take tens place and ones place 6. Tens place and ones place take it and divide this in a 2 number only. Divide the number by 4. See now, 1 time 4, remainder 1, then take 6. 16 by 4 is 4 time you can divide. 4, 4, 16. Yes, no? The last two number you can divide exactly by 4. If you can divide the last two number exactly, then the full number can be divided by 4. 3,82,156 can be divided by 4. Just you have to see, take the last two number only, whatever number given, last two number only considered here. The tens place and the ones place. If the two number can be divided by 4, then the full number can be divided by 4. Next, let us go for divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6 rule says, we have studied here, you have to see the two rules. Divisibility by 2. By divisibility by 6 is, you know, 2 multiplied by 3 how much? 2, 3, 6. Divisibility by 6 is, rule says, here you have to see two rules it must follow. First rule, it must follow the two, well, we saw that already whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. What is the rule? Divisible by 2, all the digits must finish with even number. That is from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And what is the rule divisible by 3? Divisible rule by 3 is sum of the digits must be like 3 table, multiple of 3 table. Sum of the digits must come 3 table. Here for divisibility by 6 rule, you have to take only this 2 rule. If this 2 rule correctly following satisfying means, then it can be divided by 6. Let us take a number here, 36. The number is 36. This number can be divided by 6 or not. To check that one, what is the rule? First, let us take the divisibility by 2. First rule, divisible by 2. Check this number can be divided by 2 or not. The number finished with 0. The number finished with 6. The number finished with 6. So 6 is here even number. So if the number finished with even number, then the 36 the full number can be divided by 2. So you know it, this number can be divided by 2. Next, see whether this number is divided by 3. What is the divisibility rule by 3? Sum of the digit must be 3 table. Yes, no? See the sum of the digit, how much coming? Sum of the digit 36 coming. 3 plus 6 how much? Total how much? Sum coming 3 plus 6 is 9. So you are getting the multiple of 3. 3 table coming, no? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this. Anything coming in the 3 table, then the full number can be divided by 3. You can divide. The sum can be divided by 3. Yes, no? 9 you can divide by 3. 3 times. Yes, no? So, if the sum can be divided by 3, then the full number can be divided by 3. 36 also can be divided by 3. So, the number 36 satisfies the two rules correctly. Okay? You can divide by 2 also, you can divide by 3 also. Yes, no? Since we can divide by 2 and 3, the full number can be divided by 6. This full number can be divided by 6. You can come to the conclusion that the whatever number given that can be divided by 6. That's it. If any one case at least only one number only you can divide by 2 and you cannot divide by 3 means that number you cannot divide by 6. Like that you can understand. Next rule, let us go for divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. Next rule, let us go for divisibility by 8. What is the divisibility by 8? Divisibility by 8. To check this divisibility by 8, you have to see the last 3 numbers like 100th place, 10th place and 1st place. Whatever number given, you have to take only the last 3 numbers. The number given here 2,07,608. The number given here 2,07,608. The question is, this number can be divided by 8 or not. This number can be divided by 8. To check that one, what we have to do? We have to see, take the last 3 digits. 100th place, 10th place and 1st place. Take the last 3 numbers. Whatever number given, only last 3 numbers only you have to take. 100th place, 10th place, 1st place. Take and divide by 8. 608 divided by 8. Last 3 number take and divide by 8. So you cannot divide 6. So now take this 2 numbers 60. 60, how much I can divide by 8? Now you know the table, 8 table, you know it now? 8 table. 8 table, just if you don't know, right side and next you can do. So 8 table, now see that 8, 5, 40, 8, 6, 48, 8, 7, 56. So 7 times 56 now, 8, 7, 56. And now subtract, they are getting remainder 4. Now take the 8. Take 8 below, bring it down. In 48, how many times you can divide by 8? Yes, no? How many times you can divide by 8? 48 divided by 8. 6 times 48 and the remainder is 0. See now, there is no remainder. Since there is no remainder, the number 608 can be divided by 8 exactly. There is no remainder. See that. Okay, see, if the last 3 number can be divided by 8, then the full number can be divided by 8. You can come to the conclusion that 2,07,608 can be divided by 8. No need to check other digits. Only last 3 digits only you have to check. Last 3 digits check and check. This is the divisibility by 8. Next rule, next is divisibility by 25. Last rule is divisibility by 25. For this, we have to see whatever number given, you have to see the last 2 number only. Last 2 number see, 10th place and 1st place. 10th place and 1st place, this 2 number take and divide. 75 divided by 25. 75 no? 75 if you divide by 25 means 3 times you can divide, yes no? See now, exactly divide. So this number can be divided by 25. The last 2 number must finish with like 25, like 25 table. 25, 50, 75 or 00. Like that. Last 2 number must finish with 25 table. Yes, no? 25 or 50 or 75 or 00. If the last 2 number finish with that, then the full number can be divided by 25. Okay, student. till now we saw the divisibility rules. You have the books and copies with you. Just take your books and read all the rules again one more time and revise it, and whatever sums given in that exercise, just do it and practice again and again. We will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.